Thanks to Orlando Health, I can still spend time with my family this holiday. As we look forward to the new year, we look back on the past. I'm lucky to be alive thanks to the care team at Orlando Health. But even though I went by car, some patients don't have that kind of time and they're taken to ORMC by helicopter, saving just a little more of that precious golden hour. After a short time, Air Care 1 returned to ORMC's rooftop landing pad with the patient aboard. Okay. Emmy's out on the trail of, well, something. I guess your likes and comments? Not sure what's down there. I hope you enjoyed this video too and you'll give it a big thumbs up. Maybe you'll convince my doctors that I really was worth the effort. But if you'd like to become part of our As Bob Sees It team, you can do that by signing up with Patreon. I really do appreciate the support of my patrons, and just $1 a month would help keep these videos rolling. Keeping up with the videos I put out is easy. All you have to do is subscribe. It's free. You just click on the subscribe button down below or punch my face at the end of the video. You'll see what I mean. But since subscribing doesn't mean that YouTube will let you know, you have to make sure you click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays. I'll see you next time.